Hello guys, welcome to Study Point. In this video I will tell you that if you don't have the MS Word, then how you can open it in the website through network and doing it. Then you have to follow the instructions. First you have to open the Google and write Google Word, and after that you have to click this option Google Docs, read online document for personal use. After that you have to go to Google Docs, and here everything will come written by others, but this one option blank you have to click, and then blank file is come. You can see here is the size, then you can take it big or small that you want, and here is the text which you want. Then I want some normal, and after that this is the writing. Then I want password light. Okay, and here is the words, the words value, height. According to this you can take, so you can put here the height that you want, and this is the bold. If you will choose, then your writing will be bold like this. Chosen and written H, it will be bold, and italic it will be cursive like this H, you can see. And after that you use underline. You can see here the H. In this the underline is coming, because this is an, I don't like this, and italic is best. Then I choose italic, and text color black. Okay, and I want to come in the center first because it is heading. Then I will write some things. Then after that I will start now. First we have, if you want to write all the letters in capital, then you have to click caps lock, and after that you want the topic. I want the one minute. Sorry, because it is a text, because it is coming. Yeah, here it is. Okay, the grandmother. Okay, and this is the topic, because you have to use the underline. Then you have to click Ctrl plus U, it will be underline, and press enter. Okay, and then off the caps lock, and you can write like this. One word. First you have been put the underline in the heading the grandmother, and then in the next line it will be not the underline, because this reason we have to use Ctrl plus U. Then the underline will not come. Okay, let's see. I have clicked. When I was in 6, then went somewhere else. Okay, you can see it is coming, and if you want to do this line in the side, then you have to click shift and left button, see, like this. Okay, and then you have to click left button and right button and adjust, and you have to click also adjust. But I think that was good that I have done. 1 minute. If it will be wrong, then you can take it by the shift left arrow key, and then you have to click Ctrl plus C, that means copy, and then Ctrl plus F, it will be cut it, and then Ctrl plus V. Okay, you can see. Oh, underline is also 1 minute. Control plus U. And then select this one and take it in the center. Okay. And then I can see him. You can see here healing is, I think, wrong. Then you have to take this one arrow to here and then right click, and here this is the filling, and if you know that it is compulsory right, then you have to click ignore. Okay, you can see here the use character. And then see vibration lens. I was good, but never release me when was bad. Okay, and then I have to write from after a paragraph. Okay, then I have left one line. Okay, then I have left one line, and after that years later one proper after, and I became a soldier, and I became a soldier. Why not? I think that yeah, it is okay. And I became a soldier and wanted while in France and back back to at hospital. Back to my hospital. When she was so old. So okay, that is completed. And then this parrot is playing, it's wrong. Erased. Sorry. It will be wrong. See, parrots come and I have ignored. Okay, you can see I have written one thing, and if you want to color then this one, you can choose this. Yeah, you can see here, and if you want to choose the dark color then here is a red. Okay, then if you want to color in it also, then you can see here. Nice, good. Yeah, this is looking good. And then this here, you can do the color green. Okay. And then here you can do this blue. Okay. It is